Alright, today we are replacing the heat bed on my old Creator Pro, Flashforge Creator Pro, with the newer version. It finally burned up the connector, a known problem on these, but hey, it lasted 7 years. I'm really not complaining. Anyway, let's get this guy down. So here's the two next to each other. This is the new wiring. Let's see. 2014 Rev G, and we got 2015 Rev J. You can see the connector has rotated 90 degrees on the power connector versus the stuck straight out. So we'll get the machine down and start at it. Bed wiring right here. So what connectors are we looking for? Alright, so gonna be one of these green ones. And one of these, it looks like. I lied. So here's something kind of interesting on the Flashforge. They put a little dab of hot glue to secure the connectors, the main power connectors. I like that. I haven't seen that on a lot of other machines. Anyway, we should probably replicate that when we stick the new one in. Good plan. Alright, everything's assembled, back together. Dust it off before we close it up. We did find the nut. Get our heat bed connectors poked back through. Next, more cleanup, then install the bed. Okay, we have found one difference. The screws for the heat bed on the new heat bed are significantly shorter than the old screws. So I'm swapping to the older screws because I like running a glass bed or Garolite bed or whatever else that I'm printing with, and I mount that on top with those clips. Anyway, almost done there. Get it plugged in and attach the machine. Alright, no surprises. Everything clipped together. Got the springs on the bed ready to be finagled into the holes and held on with the wing nuts. So I'm not going to try to do that while holding the camera. It'd be entertaining, but not today. Alright, we're installed. And we got no leftover parts, so that's a good thing. Let's fire it up. Let's do a preheat. Can you see that? Look at that. It's going up. While it's doing that, let's just home everything. Hey, look at that, it didn't crash. Cool. Alright. Heat beds are compatible. That's nice. I don't typically run the blue. I'm just going to leave it on there until it gets all torn up, and then I'll rip it off and deal with removing all the adhesive residue. Anyway, let's get back in the monitor. Where are we going? We're heating. Cool. I'm going to call that a success. Alright, we've been hanging out at 90°C on the bed for, woo, yeah, that's hot, for about 10 minutes now, and all is good. So I'm going to end it there and get this leveled, start printing.